Imagine a product that might give you an uncontrollable urge to dust. Picture yourself actually having fun while you dust. What if there was a duster that got it all in one pass? Well, say hello to the Go Duster, the new way to pick up the dust. Simply press the soft touch button and it starts to spin. It's lightweight, perfectly balanced, battery operated, and completely cordless, so it's easy to use. It automatically does the work for you. Dusting is faster, easier, and more fun than you could have ever imagined. Old-fashioned dusting can be time-consuming, tedious, and back-breaking work. But the Go Duster spins at over 250 RPM, using static electricity combined with a spinning action. So all you have to do is wave it like a wand and the dust disappears like magic. You could spend a fortune on feather dusters and cans of air that just blow the dust around, or you could get the amazing Go Duster for just $49.99. It comes complete with the extra long head that's perfect for reaching and dusting delicate chandeliers or getting to those creepy cobwebs in the corners. You also get the medium head that's great for everyday cleaning. Use it for lampshades, trophies, and collectibles, musical instruments, and more.